Aren't these amazing?
Wow.
I keep telling my children not to buy me flowers, but I know I love flowers. You know what? We just had a clean-up day and they chucked away most of my vases. It's silly. They keep thinking, well, buy some more. We don't need them. And now we need a vase. So what are we going to do for a makeshift vase?
I don't know. What are we going to do?
What are we going to do? Anybody got any ideas? Anybody? Well, we can empty the marshmallows out. No. Not yet. We don't want to handle them. Woohoo! Beautiful. Okay. Come here, guys. This drink dispenser, I didn't buy it for nothing. I've put things in it like before, like you won't believe. I put lollies before. I put fruits jellies. I put bananas.
We made our own juices.
Yeah, we've done everything.
Cordials.
This is a herb. You know this. We're drying this herb. My husband pinched it from his friends.
What is it?
Okay, guys. Can you guess? You're going to have to do research and find out. It's a herb. We can put it when we're boiling meats, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, think about it. Alright, guys. You know what we're going to do?
What are we going to do, Mum?
We're going to place these flowers. And I've done this before. It's not the first time, actually. I used to have Singapore orchids. And white ones. And they last really well in water. So I put them into here. And they lasted and they looked really wonderful. I put them in the hallway, and as people are coming inside my house, they can see the flowers. And it's always wonderful because it starts people talking and admiring and makes people feel good.
Wow, that really looks good, Mom.
Actually, I love these flowers. Look at them. This is ornamental kale. Ornamental.
Oh, wow.
It's cabbage.
Oh,
it is.
Oh, yeah, this one keeps growing, yeah?
It's growing. Actually, this one will grow. Continue growing. Okay, we got more of this one. Look at the roses. How did they get that color? Eh? Isn't it amazing? It's the next best thing to growing your own. You know, naturally, if you grow your own, you'd get beautiful scents with it. This is Lillian. This is one of the plants that actually keeps its scent.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because most other scents, other flowers lose their scent when you buy them commercially.
Haram, let them smell it.
Wait till for it to open. Later for it to open. And guys, you got to find out where the water level is going to be, because you don't want any green foliages underneath the water level. There are exceptions, but for the majority of flowers, okay, with leaves, they need to be trimmed from the bottom so they don't sit in the water. That
looks gorgeous. I want like ones of them on my center tables.
Is that a lot? Okay. Now later on we'll move this so we like it. But right now it's doing its purpose good. I'm going to put some water. Place some water in here. Now what you could do is every day change the water.
And for us it's easy because we can just
take
it out from the bottom.
Okay. Alright guys, you've caught me back in my kitchen, my favourite place.
Mine too.
Okay, these are the stems from the silver beet. These are the stalks. We actually boiled them last night.
Yeah. Okay,
they're perfect now for dressing with it into a salad.
So what's in here?
Some salt and some tahini. Here's tahini. It's from sesame seeds. Okay, you can use any brand you like.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can't use it on its own. You have to dilute it with water.
Yeah.
Okay? So I put salt in here, and I've got to put in more lemon juice. But right now I'm going to dilute it with water. This is just plain water. It does need diluting because it's rather thick, and it's just so strong and tasty. But it just can't be enjoyed like that.
Yeah, you have to dilute it.
And as you're diluting, it'll form a nice, beautiful, creamy consistency.
Alright guys, so Mum added some lemon juice to the tahini. But if you know me, you know I love my thum. So we're gonna go add some thum. Let's go guys, let's put some. I made this thum by the way. You would have seen that video. Okay. Oh yeah! Okay, no guys, it's too much. Yeah. You want to put it in? Stir it.
Make sure you take out all the chunks.
Alright, and then you want to add it on top of the silver beet stems. Oh, how delicious. Stir it in.